This is a step-by-step guide on how to take ANTHE online. Visit the URL anthe.aakash.ac.in/exam/login. Log in with your roll number and password. Your password is your date of birth in DD, MM, YY format. Once logged in, you will see the ANTHE 2022 exam card in the dashboard section. Click on Start Test to begin the test. On the next screen, you will see general instructions for the test. Read these instructions carefully before starting test. Scroll down and click on Start Test to begin. Wait for a few seconds for the test to load. Once test begins, you will see the first question on your screen. Every question has 4 options to choose your answers from. Please note that some questions might have more than one correct answer. Whether a question has one or more than one correct answer will be displayed above the options. Select the desired answer or answers from the given options by clicking on them. If you do not wish to answer a question right away or wish to review your response later, you can click on Review to mark the question and come back to it and review it later. Clicking on Reset will unselect all the currently selected options. Click on Next to move to the next question. Click on the Previous or Next button to move in between questions. You can switch between different sections by clicking on the subject names at the top. The overview panel on the right shows the subject-wise or section-wise progress and the number of questions that you have either answered, not answered, marked for review, not visited, or answered and marked for review. Clicking on the question number will take you to that particular question. The countdown timer is at the top right and shows the time that is remaining. To end the test immediately, click on the End Test button at the top right corner. At the end of the test, click on Submit to submit your answers and complete the test. Click on Resume to go back to the test. Once submitted, a thank you message will appear. You can now close this window and go back to the dashboard. Once you have attempted the online test, clicking on View Result will take you to a thank you screen with the result announcement date information. Once the results are announced, you can view your result by clicking on View Result. All the best!